Welcome to this training session on monitoring lake expansion using Sentinel-1 SAR satellite data in Digital Earth Africa Sandbox. My name is Miron Tesfaye. I worked for the Ministry of Water and Energy of Ethiopia, and I am a co-developer of this training session. In this session, we explore a use case in the northern part of Lake Turkana in the southern Ethiopia. The use case was developed by International Water Management Institute in collaboration with Ministry of Water and Energy and other stakeholders also. It demonstrates how satellite imagery can be used to monitor changes in the lake extent over time. In this training, you will learn how to use Sentinel-1 SAR data to monitor water bodies and shoreline changes. We will guide you step by step how to load and process satellite data, detect water bodies, map lake expansion, analyze changes along the shoreline, and also assess trends over time. The practical exercise will be carried out by using Python in the sandbox, helping you build hands-on skills for remote sensing-based coastal and water monitoring. The key outputs of the training are lake extent map, annual lake expansion rates, shoreline changes, and land lake surface area calculation. These outputs can support flood risk assessment, flood early warning, water resource management, and decision making in the Lake Turkana and Omo Delta region. So let us dive in.